May na-discover isang psychologist how our brain works. Yung pain daw na mawalan ka ng 1,000 pesos, 2 beses siyang mas mabigat kaysa dun sa joy of earning 1,000 pesos. And this is not opinion, ha? This is based on science to. And that is why nag-i-stay ka sa trabaho mo na di mo naman gusto, and for some, it's not even a high-paying job. Si Daniel Kahneman, yung psychologist at isang Nobel Prize winner, pinatunayan niya to sa research niya na yung pain of losing 1,000 pesos is roughly twice as strong as the joy of gaining 1,000 pesos. Twice. Hindi konting mas malakas, ha? Almost twice as heavy. So, etong nangyayari kasi sa loob ng utak mo every day na kahit hindi mo alam. So, think about it this way. May bagong offer sa'yo, 100,000 pesos monthly income. Pero may risk. Baka mawalan ka ng 30,000 na sahod for the first 6 months. So, sa logic mo, no-brainer. Sure, 100,000, mawalan ka ng 30,000. Fine. But your brain don't think that way. You see, sa utak mo, hindi ganun ang mate. Yung 30,000 pesos na pwedeng mawala, in your mind, doble ang bigat nun. In short, hindi 100,000 versus 30,000 ang nakikita mo. It's more of like 100,000 versus 60,000 of fear. So, halos pantay na sila. Yan ang dahilan bakit hindi ka nakakapag-decide. Hindi dahil tamad ka o hindi dahil wala kang ambisyon sa buhay. That is because your brain is lying to you about which side is heavier. At tinatawag ko itong the hidden multiplication. Every time na may opportunity sa harap mo, may secret math na nangyayari sa utak mo. Yung pain or sakit ng anumang pwedeng mawala, automatic dinodoble niya yun.